This is called a swag. And I'm going to talk to you why it's important to have swags. And my mom just brought me this just before the live. Waffles. So I'm going to share what I have to share with you, and I'm going to go and buy my waffle. Okay. So the reason why I wanted to hop on a Facebook Live or a video with you is that you've probably seen that I'm organizing an amazing project here where I live in Canada. And I'm totally aware that a lot of you are not living where I live. You're abroad or in other provinces in Canada. And my goal is for sure that someday Social Media Love is going to be big enough that I'm going to be able to export my projects to other provinces or other countries. But for now, it's in New Brunswick, and it's basically I organize a photo shoot from the before, the during, and the after. And that's, of course, something I can offer right now only to the people of the province where I live in Canada. But I thought about all of you guys, ladies and guys, everywhere else, how I can help you too. So I built two things, and one of them is a kind of a guide. What should be the top photos that you should get in a photo shoot for your business? So the link is in the top description of this video. You just have to download it, and I think you're gonna appreciate what I'm gonna tell you right now. So how many of you are about to post on their Facebook page, on Instagram or LinkedIn, and they don't know what picture they should be taking? So sometimes you grab one with your phone, but you're not sure how you take photos with your phone, and then you don't want to show yourself, but you know that you should be showing yourself because it's your brand, it's your products, but you kind of shy away from the lens. So I came up with 3 buckets of type of photos that gonna not only help you to get content that you can actually post every day on your social media platforms and on your website, but most of all, it's gonna help you to connect with your audience. So whether it's your audience that is already connected to you and start to know you a little bit, or even people who never heard about you. And it's so important what you're gonna give them or show them of you and your business so that they have a sense, even before you start talking, of what you can bring to them, how you can change their life. So the first bucket of photos is really you. You, but in a sense of you, the real person, not the one that is like straight hair and pose like that, and it's a photo shoot, that very official photo shoot. And it's really photoshopped as well. Like more photos of who you are in real life. If I were to meet you, what type of vibes would I get out of you? So you'll see that in that bonus or that guide that I did for you. I exactly tells you the type of photos for your first bucket, like what you like. So for example, it's going to be about where are the places you like to go and unwind? What are the places that you go with your dog? Or what are the things you love? Are you a coffee place? Like for me, I love coffee places. I love cafes. But what is the thing that makes you different? Because you know what? Nowadays, we all can be teaching, helping people all over the world thanks to the internet. And I'm taking for granted that everybody's good at what they do. But so how do you differentiate yourself? If you take, for example, 2 social media coaches like me, or 10, that are all good and passionate and da-da-da, what are going to make a difference? How are you going to pick the one you want, right? It's going to be the one that kind of resonates better with you. Your funk, I call it, your vibes, and your values. So this is why it's super important, whether it's on videos or images, that you show what you like so that people identify themselves with you, right? So if they don't like you, they won't go with you. That's okay. At least they'll make a choice. The second bucket that you can consider if you want to hire a photographer or start doing your own photos is actually what I call the products and services in motion. So that means you instead of showing, you know, I sell, I don't know, USB keys, and then you're going to take a photo of your USB keys, how can you put this USB key in a way that it's a different USB key among the thousands and millions of USB keys? So maybe the USB keys could be on your cat hair, or I don't know, like to be creative, or it could be a nice way, like you could show it in a nice computer, but a computer that has your vibes, like you have to be creative. So this is why I want to help you with that creative, like how do you take a goddamn photo of this that is different from all the other photos that you can find of a USB key, so that you differentiate yourself, your products, and your services. So for example, it could be photos of you interacting with your clients. It could be you brainstorming with your employees, or you on the phone. If whatever is your business, you would use your services and your product, and we would see them in motion, not just like planted there like a plant and no moving, like this plant here. Hello. And the third bucket are photos that don't even involve you or your staff or your employees or your clients. They are the things, and I was showing you, that makes you unique, your swags, for example. So this little balloon, I should have bought 10 because someday it might go dead, but this is a balloon you're gonna find everywhere with me, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. When there is a new tutorial or a new video, you see me playing with the balloon. I bring it as well when I go to different shows. So this is my balloon for Social Media Love with my hearts, and I don't have them here, but I have as well some sunglasses that I wear from time to time. I'm all about, you know, gratitude journal and stuff. So I have the Social Media Love gratitude journals, like things that makes your business cozy and makes people say, oh, I want the same. Oh, I love the way she does that. Or, oh, that's really interesting. So everything, the three buckets works together. One involves you in your real life. The second one involves your product and your services. And the third one is really the kind of points of differentiation that are unique to you and your business, that shows the vibes of your business. So if I am becoming your client, I'll know in advance, thanks to all the stuff you posted, that I'm gonna get those vibes too. So download this guide that I made for you, especially if you're not in New Brunswick. If you're in New Brunswick where I live, you can download it too, because if you want to hire a photographer, do your own photo shoot, or if you decide to go with me, that's only 5 spots and we have already 1 taken. And so reach out to me. And the second thing that I put in place for people who are not in my neighborhood, I'm not forgetting you, is that you'll see that in the package that I offer for that photo shoot, there are amazing components around how to plan your photo shoot and the after photo shoot. Like, how do you use those awesome photos to create amazing branded content? So those are sessions that you may want once you've done your, you know, if you're in the UK and you've done your photo shoot and you're not sure what you should be asking to the photographer, or you're not sure what to do with all those photos, I could coach you with that. So just send me a private message. I can still help you. I won't be doing the photo shoot per se with my team, but I will be helping you preparing everything, including outfits, locations and stuff, trying to brainstorm with you where you should be going. And then the after of the photo shoot, I will help you to organize your content based on the amazing photos that you should be getting from your photographer. So until then, if you're interested in me doing your photo shoot, the link is in the comment of this video. Or if you want the guide, it's right in the description of this video. The two links are easy to find. And I'm gonna go and have my little waffle. I hope you see this video and ask me questions, okay? I'm really excited and I want to help you. Ciao, ciao.